Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh Kumar Gupta. Welcome you on our official YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss pair of linear equation in two variables chapter, and in which the topic is cross multiplication method of solving the pair of linear equation. Okay, let's start with. Before start, I would like to request you, please subscribe our channel, like our videos and press the bell icon so that you can get easily new videos notifications. Okay, let's start. Cross multiplication method. Before this method we have studied graphical method, then after substitution method, then after elimination method. Now this is the third method for solving the pair of linear equations in two variables. So how it works? First of all, we have seen that our equations in two variables are in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. These are the two equations. Now if we apply elimination method in this to solve these equations, simply these two equations we have to apply elimination method. And if we go to eliminate y, then what we will do? We should equalize the coefficient of y in each equation, like here b1 and here b2. So in equation first we will multiply by b2, and in equation second we will multiply by b1. So we get, right, multiply equation first by b2 and equation 2 by b1. We get what we get? We get simply a1 b2x plus b1 b2y plus b2 c1 is equals to 0 and a2 b1x plus b1 b2y plus b1 c2 is equals to 0. Okay, a1 b2x, these are the two equations which we will get after multiplying equation 1 by b2 and equation 2 by b1. Why we are doing so? We have to eliminate y by elimination method. How? Next, we will subtract one equation from another. Let us say this is third equation and this is fourth equation. So subtract equation third from fourth. So a2 b1x plus b1 b2y minus a1 b2x plus b1 b2y is equal, and plus b2c1 b1c2 minus b2c1 is equals to 0. Okay, now we will arrange in them by with coefficient of x coefficient of together and y coefficient is together. So we will get, by getting these, a2 b1x, sorry, x is taken as common, a1 b2 x plus, and this will be eliminated, equals to or plus b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equals to 0. This comes to like this: a2 b1 and a1 b2. Okay, and b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Now If we try to solve this, I have to erase this. If we go to solve, we get x is equals to b1c2 minus, c1b2 minus d1c2 upon a2b1 minus a1b2. Okay, this will like that, a2 c1 b2 minus b1 c2 upon a2 b1 minus a1 b2. This will comes our x. Now we can get y. So how can we get y? We have equation a1x. From first we get a1x, x place of x we will write c1 b2 minus b1 c2 upon a2 b1 minus a1 b2 is equal plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. Okay, now we have to solve it for y. So we take b1y in left side and other things will be transferred to the right hand side. We get a1 c1 b2 minus b1 c2 upon a2 b1 minus a1 b2. Obviously minus and minus c1. Now we can solve this. Take LCM, a2 b1 minus a1 b2, and here minus a1 c1 b2 plus a1 b1 c2 minus c1 a2 b1 plus c1 a1 and b2. Okay, this is like this. Now what will be terminated? Here a1 c1 b2, a1 c1 b2, this is of minus and this is of plus, so it will be terminated. And again from this and this we can take b1 as a common, so a1 c1 minus a2 c1 upon a2 b1 minus a1 b2, and this is b1y and b1y. Okay, we will remove b1 and b1 by dividing from both sides, and we get y equals to a1 c2 minus a2 c1 upon a2 b1 minus a1 b2. So how can it be written? I have to erase this. Now our y can, we got y a1 c2 minus a2 c1 upon a1 a2 b1 minus a1 b2. Okay, this is our y. So we get x is equals to this and y equals to this. Now in both the cases a2 upon b1 minus a1 b2 are given. So we can also, now if we want to find out the solution, we convert our equations in a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 equals to 0, a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 equals to 0 in this form, and then comparing a1 b1 and c1 values, putting these values here, we can get easily x and y in one step only. But this is a confusing task, because if we have so simplest method like substitution method, and elimination method, why we will remember these two formulas? So we do not we do not require to remember these formulas. हमें इनको याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हम क्या कर सकते हैं अभी इसमें, और एक चीज कर सकते हैं कि अगर हम कंपेयर, अगर इनको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करें और x अपॉन C1B2 माइनस B1C2 इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन A1A2B1 minus A1B2. Can we write this or not? Yes, we can write. Again, y upon A1C2 minus A2C1 is equals to 1 upon A2B1 minus A1B2. Can we write this or not? Yes, of course. Now we can write in these two equations in one equation, like x upon b2 sorry C1B2 minus B1C2 equals to y upon A1C2 minus A2C1 is equals to 1 upon A2B1 minus A1B2. Okay, this is the formula for our cross multiplication method. Now it becomes more easier to learn, to remember this formula. We will write what x, here we write b1 b2 c1 c2 y A1, A2 and 1 B1, B2. We have started B1, B2, C1, C2, A1, A2, B1, B2. Now this will be taken as upper. This will be multiplied to this B1, C2 and minus C1, B2. Again this will comes under x. Now this and this y upon C1 A2 minus A1 C2 C1 A2 minus A2 A1 C2. Again 1 upon A1 B2 minus B1 and this is similar formula to this. If we take minus, multiply minus 1 by here, we will get this. So these two formulas are there. Okay, this is cross multiplication method. It is a more accurate form of elimination method. In elimination method, now in this case we only compare A1, B1 and C1 only. This derivation is not required for you. This is only for your understanding that from where this method came. This method is nothing but some extent of elimination method. Okay, so I think I have to rewrite the formula again. We have to write x, y and 1, x upon, we have two equations. First we will write a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Okay, now we have to write formula. We have taken x, so we cannot take the coefficient of x, so we leave a1 and a2. b1 into c2, x upon b1 c2 minus c1 b2. Okay, now y, if we take y, then we cannot take b1 and b2, so c1 a2 minus a1 c2. And now next step is constant term, so we will take 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is our cross multiplications formula. Okay, in next video I will explain the how it works. We will take one example and we discuss how it is implemented on any given situations. Okay, once again I would like to request you to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get easily the new notifications. Okay, have a good day. That's all.